Hi, Dr. Ayman. How you doing? I hope you are doing really, really well. So today I'm going to show you my dynamic analysis video. Yesterday I recorded my dynamic analysis, but unfortunately, due to a technical issue, I did it actually on my friend's laptop. His mic was ruined. I don't know why. There was a problem with it. So I couldn't put my voice in the recorded video. I just recorded it without transcript or without my voice. So I needed to make sure that you can hear me and also see me, surprisingly. So I opened this Google Meet so you can see my recorded video and also to hear my voice and to elaborate more about what I did. Okay, here's my video. Okay, okay. So first, I need to show you my work, and also I want to tell you about the dynamic analysis, which is in this specific kind of analysis, we are going to monitor and observe what the malware is doing to my computer. Unlike the setting analysis, the dynamic analysis gives us a lot of more information, more of specifications, which is really good. So first, I needed to extract my sample. Here it is. It was compressed, so I needed to extract it. Okay, here is the sample. I need to extract it. Just putting some things, and I'm going to put my password in it as well. Here it is, infected. Here it is, the sample. So I'm going to do some and use some different tools first. I'm going to use the Wireshark. I will tell you later why I used it, and also the ring shot tool. Let me tell you something about the ring shot tool. I needed to make a snapshot before the malware is infected and before my device is infected with the malware. And I did another shot after the malware is infected in my device because I needed to compare before and after the infection to see what the malware did, to see if he did something like add some files, delete some files to my registry, as I will show you in my video. Okay, run it. This is my first shot. I'm going to make it. It took actually some time, like 5 minutes. Look at the keys and the values. It took actually some time. Okay, so I stopped recording then and I came back and it's finished. Here it is. Okay. Now I use the Wireshark tool. Why I used it? Because my malware, it turns out it is a Trojan malware, and the attacker is trying to steal some data. We all know that the Trojan is to steal some data and encrypt it. So the attacker is trying to steal some data, my personal data, and to encrypt it. So I needed to know what kind of packets he is taking, what kind of data he is stealing, of course through the network and also of course through the Wireshark tool. Here it is. It is working. Okay, I'm gonna put it and do some work. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to use the first tool, which is here in dynamic analysis video folder. Sorry, with this, which is name is system monitoring. The tool is the PropCam tool. I want to monitor the file history, the network activity. I need to know everything about this malware. Here it is. It's a really amazing tool. This one, as you can see down there, it showed me what the events are really um, going on. This is amazing. This is really important. Here it is showing me the sections of this tool. We have the file section, we have the network, we have the network, we have the process, and all of course everything. Okay, it's pretty amazing tool. And open the Wireshark, checking on it. Okay. Now I'm going to open and to run my sample. I actually texted you on Teams because I didn't know how to, to run it because I tried it to rename it, but it didn't work. So I worked on the CMD. Here it is. I opened it. I took the name of it. Running CMD right now. Just I need to take the name of it. Here it is. It's actually in .ptf. The extension rename. Control C, and put it on and let the magic happen. Here it is. Dot .csc I always confused about it. And voila, here it is. It is executed. Now my device is infected with this malware. Okay, all good. All right. Okay, here it is. Here's the Wireshark. Look at these packets and look on everything. It steals a lot of data. Here I should stop capturing, and I wanted to know what kind of protocols is the attacker using. I searched for HTTP, DNS, SMTP, but I found that he is using the HTTP protocol. And actually opened one of the packets to see which port he is using, what is the IP address, etc. I actually opened like 3 or 4 packets to just finding out which is the right packet. Just a minute. Okay, here's the packet that I found. As you can see, is he is using he is using the port 443, and he is the destination port. And this is the IP address. I took the IP address. I needed to know where is the source of this going on. So I used this amazing website which is called IB Data, and it turns out that the attacker is from Ireland, and it is considered to be a high risk, which is malicious. Okay, this is amazing website. I really like this. Okay, as you can see, I took the IP and looked up. All right. Okay, that's it about the whale shark. Actually, nothing else. Okay. Now I'm going to use the process tree. Okay. Um, Actually, there are 2 tools for seeing the process tree. I needed to see the subchild process. There is a tool which is called the process hacker tool, which is a good tool, but it didn't show me the subchild process. The malware is trying to eliminate these kind of processes. So I used the process tree, which is really amazing, and it showed me all the subtrees that I needed to know about. I just looked up for a subtree, as you can see. Here it is. I found this one. Here it is. That's the one. I tried to go to some events to know more details about it. You know, that's it. Go to events. Here's the path of it, the commands of it. It shows me everything. This is an amazing tool. Here are some details about it. Also, I found add process. Okay, now I need to make my second shot because I need to compare before and after the device is infected. I made the second shot, and of course, it took me like 5 minutes. Minutes. So I stopped recording back then, and I went back after it finished. And I'm gonna show you how many keys the Trojan added to my device, how many values he updated. On compare after it finished. I'm gonna make the compare. All right. Here are the what he did to the registry. Like for example, he deleted 10 keys, added 18 keys. It's really bigger one. Also, values deleted 10. Look what he did to the registry. I mean, it ruined it. And also, values added 98 values. That's it, I think. Yeah. So that was my static, my dynamic analysis. I hope you liked it so much, and I'm really sorry about this kind of thing. I hope you are doing really well, and take care. Goodbye.